could have a 370% increased chance of being infected. In other words, Pfizer reported a range of vaccine efficacy so wide that no conclusion could be inferred. No reputable medical journal would accept such sloppy and incomplete results with such a small sample size. Yet, as you point out, without that clinical data, they're still pushing vaccines for infants and toddlers, for people who already had COVID, and boosters for young children.
That's right, and parents are not falling for it. After nearly a month of the government heavily pushing vaccines in kids under 5, only 3% of parents have chosen to get their kids under 5 vaccinated. More parents believe in UFOs, I think. Dr. John Walensky said over and over ago, we know people are eager to get their kids vaccinated. No, not the case. Why? Because the vaccine trial in kids under 5 failed. Vaccines in babies and toddlers, that study was done, and it showed no benefit. Now, why are we even doing clinical trials if when you get a negative result showing it has no benefit, they're approving it anyway?
Yes.
You're making a mockery of the process. This is what people within the agencies are very frustrated about. This is why they're leaving. Moderna's vaccine had a 4% efficacy. And Pfizer, the results were so bad with no statistical significance that one of the internal people within the CDC told me that you can inject a child with the vaccine or squirt it in their face and you'll get the same benefit.
Wow. So what you get is political science instead, and then you get skepticism from the public, and then in the future, when you really do need the CDC or NIH deliver, you still have that skepticism. It's incredibly dangerous.
That's right. One person said it's like a horror movie they're being forced to watch and they can't close their eyes. If the CDC wants to win some respect back, apologize, show some humility. They made so many mistakes, closing schools, boosters in young people, masking toddlers, vaccines in babies now. Show some humility and less absolutism. I believe the American people are a very forgiving people. That's certainly what I see in my
Absolutely
practice.
right. Well, Dr. Marty Makary, I don't know where we'd be throughout this without the work that you've done. Thank you for continuing it, and hopefully we'll get some accountability there. Appreciate it, Dr.